Bob Thornton in the Fox body. Let's go. Okay. I'm trying to get this charger situated. Hey, excuse me, can you hold that one moment, man? Let me get this charger situated. Appreciate it, man. Smoking a number. What? Okay, they putting that glue down. Putting that glue down. 2410 Green Bay up. Ooh. $24.14 now. Okay. Who they playing? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I think it is this one. Yeah, there you go. I'm trying to get my charger and all that situated. Deadshot Mustang, hey, what's up with it, man? How you been? Cardinals versus Green Bay. Dang, I probably... Okay. Sound like it's doing a little something. DJ Khaled, king of the solo pass. Function in the building. Pancho Villa. The last follow is Marlowe. Okay, look out, Marlowe. Okay. Uh-oh. Student driver finna finish it, y'all. Student driver down. Okay. Y'all watch this, boy. This is this pony for the win, y'all. Okay. Team Thundercock. The Duker. The Duker. Alright, oh, get out of there. How you get? Okay, there we go. There we go. Ooh, this is good racing weather, y'all. It's not that cold, but it's cool. Like an automatic cold air intake, man. Ooh, somebody. Oh, boy needed a little boost. I'm gonna call him aggressive crank. Activate aggressive crank. Boom! Damn, he got a helmet on and everything. What's up with it, Teresa? You hear this thing? Sound like he got a strap fan on it. Oh, it ain't. Okay. Oh, please. They running, y'all. Oh, it's trying to go dead. Hold it. Hold it now. Don't let it. like he using the nitrous to keep up the look like he used the nitrous to keep it running. We got the great white right here. Woo! Hold up top. Where y'all at? Oh, they betting. How much? How much? Damn, this might be a good. Oh shit, this is a good race. That's my boy Omar. Damn. Hey, how much? How much? I need to find somebody. Nah, I want the other. Hey man, where you at, man? I want the other side. I'll bet $10. You don't want to be on the live? Okay.
Camera shot.
Oh, you camera shot? Don't worry, man. Everybody is. Me too. I don't even be showing my face, man. Hey, look out.
What? Is that YouTube?
No, Twitch. But I'm on YouTube too. It's called Lookout Racing, man. Look out. I'm gonna have it on. Yeah, Lookout Racing. Look at it. It's already right there. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm betting with that Mustang. Hey man, how much? Y'all ain't betting over here? I got the other side. Fuck it. Yeah, I'll take the Mustang. Bet 5. I got the other side, man.
I got the other side.
You got the other side? You too, man? I got this side. I mean the other side. I'll take the Mustang for the win, man. I ain't no odds, man. I'll take 10, man. Come on, 10. Man, yeah, you could have bet me that. I would have took that from you. All right, here we go. Omar ain't to be fucked with, boy. Hey, Omar, that's my boy. Say, can't mess with Omar, man. Go. Omar ain't playing. Appreciate it. Oh, hey, he running, ain't it? That thing running, ain't it? Hey, I didn't think it was that fast. Hey, that thing was getting out.